Yep, as you can see, there's Big Bird looking in. He's ready for his morning hot dog. These are my animals, the Florida animals I take care of. And there's Irie, can't wait to chase the bird. No, get back. Hey, Big Bird, how you doing, buddy? Huh? You doing good? See how he chops his beak like that? He's just like, okay, I'm cool, man. Bring on the hot dog. Come on, here's the hot dog. Come on. Watch how fast this boy is. Whoa. On it, isn't he? There's just another little white bird sometimes behind him. It's baby bird. This is Big Bird. He's got some green on him now. He's changing colors. Used to be yellow up there on his head. There you go. Oh. Go get it. He usually come right up to me, but I've been gone for 3 weeks skiing, so. Alright, Big Bird, there's one more. Alright. Hasta la vista. Gotta go and watch football. Or get ready to.